Good morning everyone. So am I visible and audible to you all? Are you able to clearly hear me? Good morning Aditya. Good morning. Okay. So everyone, good morning. So in my last class actually I was not there. Moha ma'am has taken your class. So she has completed the chapter your adjectives. But today we will do one small thing that I already said that I will be doing. That is, everyone just open page number 36. Open page number 36 and take out your copy as well. You have to take out the book as well as your copy, because here you have identified the adjectives. You have underlined all the adjectives present in this entire text. Okay, but today what we will do, we will try to categorize those adjectives. Okay, like what kind of adjective it is, we will try to find that out. Okay, so everyone take out your copy and your book. So let us see the first sentence. A king lived in a great palace. So great is the adjective. Okay, great is the adjective with beautiful gardens. In this way you will write down number 1, number 2. Great, beautiful. Now tell me what kind of adjective it is, great and beautiful. Type and tell me what kind of adjective it is. Which type of adjective it is, great and beautiful. Great and beautiful is adjective of think and type. Yes, adjective of quality. Both are adjective of quality. This one also the same. Okay. In the next sentence, there was a small lake. Number 3, small. Small also adjective of quality. Once the princes were playing near the lake. They saw a green turtle and ran back to the place in fear. So once when the princes were playing near the lake, they saw a green. So 4 is green. Green is also adjective of quality. Yes, everything is coming as adjective of quality, and ran back to the palace in fear. Okay. Next, there is a terrible demon. Again we are getting terrible. Number 5, terrible. Terrible also adjective of quality. Terrible demon. Lying on the bank of the lake, they said to their father. So there. Number 6, T-H-E-I-R. There. You tell me what kind of adjective it is. There. T-H-E-I-R. There is the no, it is not demonstrative. T-H-E-I-R. T-H-E-I-R is T-H-E-I-R, not T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-I-R. So there is adjective of three people are typing. What you are typing, let me see. Possessive adjective, very good. Possessive, that is Possessive. There is the possessive adjective, yes. The king sent 2 servants to bring this demon. Now we are getting another one. I am rubbing this portion. Now you tell me regarding these 2 adjectives. Number 7, 2, number 8, there. No, sorry, this, not there. This. Now you tell me, number 7 and number 8, what kind of adjective it is? Adjective of number, yes, adjective of number, very good. And 2 is adjective of number. This and his, this and his. Two is adjective of number, yes, Ochisman already said. After that, number 8 and number 9. Okay, number 8 is demonstrative. Yes, correct, Aditya. Number 8 is demonstrative. And number 9 is, number 9, number 9 possessive. Yes, I am writing in short form, POSS. Okay. Let's go for the next. Soon the turtle was placed in his presence. He had never seen a turtle before. He too felt afraid of it. So, afraid, he looked at the hard shell. Hard. He looked at the hard shell of the turtle carefully and said to his minister, again his is there, so I am not repeating. The demon is wearing a strong armor, so strong again. Strong armor. What method? What method should be used to kill him? Okay, let us, okay, now tell me this 4, afraid, hard, strong, that. Afraid, hard, strong, these are all same kind of adjectives. What is it? No, afraid is not possessive. 9, his is possessive. Afraid, hard, strong, these are quality. Yes, these are quality. All these 3 are quality. Okay, what is number 13? What? Number 13, what? Interrogative, yes. What will be interrogative? Okay? Okay. Let's come to the next sentences. Number 14. Let us grind him to powder, said the first minister. First. 15. That will not be an easy method. Easy. 16. Said the second minister. Second. 17. Let us put him in a hot oven. Hot. Now tell me. Number 14, 15, 16, 17. First, easy. Second, hot. Tell me the types. 14 is numbered. Yes, 14 is numbered. 14 is numbered. 15 is 15. Yes, 14 is numbered. 15 is quality. 15 is quality. Second is 16. Number. Yes. And this one also quality. Coming to the next part. Let us throw him into the lake at the place where the water flows over the rocks into the river, suggested the third minister. The turtle was happy. But he said, don't treat me with such cruelty. Okay. The king immediately ordered his servants to throw him into the water. These is again there. The clever turtle. Clever. 21 is clever. The clever turtle laughed as he swam down the river to his home in the sea. Okay. Now you tell me. 17 is quality. 18 is number. Yes, 18 is number. 19 is 19 happy. Happy is happy will be also quality. Cruelty, clever. All the remaining three will be quality, adjective of quality. So these are all the adjectives we have found out from this passage. The adjectives that has been repeated, like his, has been used many times, so I am not repeating those things. You already know, I have already said. Okay. So regarding this, anybody is having any kind of problem? Okay. You don't have any problem, that's fine. So the chapter has been finished. So what do you want? Should we proceed with the next chapter, or shall we make one revision? Do you need revision of the previous chapters, or shall we proceed with the next new chapter? Okay, we need revisions. Fine. So till adjectives, I am stopping till adjectives. In my next class, I will be starting with the revision portion. In the revision portion, what I will be doing, I will be giving some outside the book exercises. Okay, because already the inside book exercises you have all completed, you have all done. So what I will be doing, I will be giving some extra works so that you can enhance the knowledge, whatever concept you have developed reading this, studying these chapters, you will be able to do something more, something extra. So those extra works I will be continuing from my next class. So it will be starting from this chapter. The revision will be starting from, the revisions will be starting from nouns. Nouns, singular plural, noun gender, noun possession, adjectives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chapters we will do revision. After completing this revision, we will go with the next chapter, that is pronouns. Okay, so revision I will take 3 classes. So 3 classes for revision will be fine for you. Okay? Okay. Okay, everyone is okay. So, all right. So see you then again in my next class. Already today's time is up. If I start something new, you won't be having the time enough to complete it. So I will be starting better as a fresh from my next class. Okay? Till then, bye bye.